Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Western Union account. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need to do is go into google.com, and from here you want to go search for Western Union, register, and click on this link right here. Click on that, and then you would now be able to register once you have provided your first name, middle name, last name, email, and your password right here. So for the first name, you want to make sure that it appears on your government issued ID. It is very important that you do not fake this or put incorrect information right here to avoid consequences. So now once you've provided everything, you need to also check this box and click on register, and after that you would be receiving an email in your email that you have entered right here for the code, just to verify that it's your email. And then once you're done with that, you're all good. You have now created your account here in Western Union, and you should have something like this right here. When you go into Western Union, you can now send money, pick up cash, track transfer, pay bills, find locations, and whatsoever. And from here, to finish setting up your newly registered account, you need to click on this profile, this profile icon right here. And then from here, you would need to provide your first name, your last name, middle name, zip code, street, and so on right here. You have to provide everything right here. In this way, you wouldn't have to fill this up every time you would send money right here or use Western Union, because this is required before you can send your money or make transactions here in Western Union. So once you have set up all of this, then you are basically all good to go. You can send now money depending on what you want. So that is basically it for this video on how you can create Western Union account. Thank you for watching.